Once you tighten it by hand, push it as much as you can against it. Once it's in there, you take a either crescent wrench or channel locks and just, though you don't have to do too hard, or if you have a tool, I don't know what number that is, socket, but pretty much just tighten it. That should be good. Just not too tight. Once you're done with that, put this cover on. You can grease it up. Just like that. And then don't forget the pin. Tap it in. Nice and tight. Everything's good. Everything in place. Spin it. Make sure it spins. And then what you want to do is, if you got any grease on here or in the back, there's a guard shield, so there's like a little space right here on this side. You put everything aside, take brake cleaner and just spray some brake cleaner. Take a rag, wipe it really good. You don't want to have any grease on your rotors, especially where the brakes are going to touch. Same thing on the back side. Spray some cleaner. Just wipe it. Once everything's done, you take this cap and you lightly tap it. So before you install the brakes, you have to push this piece right here. I don't know if you can see it. Inside here, out, so the brake pad can fit in there. To do that, you need like one of these tools or whatever works for you. I got the one that's quick release. It's a lot nicer. Press a button and then just push it in. But make sure when you do that, if you open your cap for brake fluid inside the engine, it might squirt everywhere, but you still want to be careful so there's room for air when you press it out. If you're here just watching the brakes, how to change brakes, and you wanted to watch the rotors as well, check out my other video. Once you're done, you can either unscrew it, or I have a quick release. Now what you want to do is clean everything pretty good. Spray some brake cleaner. Once you're done cleaning all that, you get the brake pads. You have this metal piece. What you want to do is open it, just in case. Grease it up. As long as you don't put it on the brake pads, just like a tiny bit here, 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 just like that. Then you want to do the same thing with the other side. Take the metal piece out and grease it up. Once everything's in the grooves, everything's lined up, seems like it's sitting, rotate, it's gonna touch a little. You take this one plate on top, screw it in.
Take some longer.
Once everything's tight, spin it again. It'll go. Make sure nothing's loose. Everything's tight. If you need to bleed your brakes, it's right here. But it should be fine on mine. If you need to add some brake fluid, it's right here. Open this cap, 1 and 2. So I'm done changing my brakes. I'm gonna put the wheel back on and put it down. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you, and if you're not a subscriber yet, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.